Hi everyone, it's Eva. Welcome and thank you for joining me. I will be doing a flip through video of my Erin Condren for the year. I did fall off the train for a while, so the first couple of months I don't have anything in them, so it's not gonna be too bad. So I have, let me scoot over. I have this January monthly, which I had already purchased, so I figured why not just put it in. And this was from Watercolor Blooms. That's what it was from. So excuse me for, I have a really bad memory. And what I started doing was I started cutting out shop names and putting them somewhere on the spread because I knew I would forget. So you'll see a couple of spreads that have that. So January I had the I had the weekly kit. This is from Simply Watercolor Co. And of course, as you can see, I didn't do anything because I wasn't feeling it. This was a mystery kit from the Glam Planner, which I really loved. And as you can see, I didn't do anything. This too was from Watercolor Blooms. Really love it. It's foiled. And here we get, see, the first couple of months, first 5 months is when I fell off the train. So here we get back into action. This one was, I'm sorry, I can't remember, but I will put a link or the name of the shop that this is from, but it's beautiful. I love it. This is from Paper Plush Bar, which you can see I started putting names on them. This is from Little Indigo Papery, and I started a photography class this week, so this one was perfect. This kit here is from Shop Jessica Hearts. I was using my checklist for meals, and this is when I was trying to find my groove and figure out what I wanted to do with my planner and what I wanted to track. So you'll see that for the first couple of months, and then I actually started turning them into actual to-dos. This was a Paper Panda box subscription. I really wasn't liking this one. I just wanted to see what I could do with it and wasn't a fan. Here I have my June monthly. And here I have, again, my June monthly. I don't know what shop this is from because I didn't put it in, but I will put something in down below so you can see. And here I was in Texas, so actually no, I lied. Here this was the last week of school, so I didn't really plan out the week, so really I just did a rewind, and I just used Mombi stickers and washi tape, and this is what I came up with. This is a week I was in Texas. So this is from the Glam Planner. I absolutely love this kit. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And I wanna say, let me see. No. I didn't use my sidebar for anything, so I just put some washi and some deco, and that was it. And I called it a day. This here, I had these 2 weeks are one and the same. I had a mystery kit from the Happy Planner Gal, which you can see here. And this was a mystery kit and I wanted to stretch it out. This week, again, we were in Texas, so I didn't keep track of my meals. I didn't, keep track of, I wasn't planning at all. So I just did rewinds when I got back. So I stretched out that kit. I used some washi to form some full boxes, and I just ran with it. So this is what I came up with for those 2 weeks. Here is my July monthly. Here is my, wait, I called this a monthly. This is my July notes, sorry. Here's my July monthly. This one is from Prince 6, which I really, really liked. This one here is from Shop Jessica Hearts. I love, 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 love this kit so much. The colors, everything was just so beautiful. Here is the 4th of July week. I really like this. I bought this sticker from, I think it was Jolie's Boutique from Michael's. I put that in there. And this is from Prince 6. Again, this was, I purchased her mat and wanted to check it out. So that is from her. We went to go see Cars 3 that week. Exciting. This week is from Chick Street Sticker Boutique. I love the foiling on here. This kind of reminded me of my Newest Addictions weekly layout. I missed it. And I was so excited when I came across this one because I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. I love everything about it. This week, I had to fly out to LA, so I didn't plan much. Again, I did some rewind planning as much as I could. And this is from the Bossy Planner. This was my first photography kit, and I absolutely love it so much. I love European, the European vibe. I just love it. This week, again, this was from the Panda Box subscription. I took this. This is she puts it on her box, so I just took my undo and I laid it and I used it as a bottom washi, which I really liked that I did that. And I want to say she had, is it this one? Yeah, she had the Paper Dove Shop little mini kit type of thing. So I used that. And I also tried playing with this. I wanted to do like a budget thing, which I totally miserably failed at it. So I stopped doing that. Here is my August notes. My August monthly from Seaside Stickers. Here I have a Plan with Belinda kit. Here I have the Pink Room Co. I really, really like this. Again, this was a mini kit that I purchased from her. I used washi for the bottom. And what else did I used a paper pad from Michael's to put that in there because I really, really like this little sticker box that she had. So kind of wanted to go with the unicorn vibe. And that ice cream cone is so pretty. And again, some more washi. And again, I tried doing the budget thing. Kind of did better with this, but it was too exhausting to keep track of, so I quit. Here I have a Boss Planner kit from Joyful Planner. I really, really like this one. This was inventory week, so it was hell week. This one I love. This is from Paper Dove Shop. I wasn't a big fan of her bottom washies. Yeah, her bottom washi, which was kind of like this, so I just used my own. I should have stuck with her bottom washi, but oh well. Here is my September notes. I did nothing. I tracked nothing, which oh well. Here's my September monthly spread from the Coffee Monsters Co. Here is a kit from Paper Crown Prints. I really like this one. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And again, I used my own bottom washi. Here we have a mystery kit from the Glam Planner. And when I saw this kit, this is like her May, I think it was her May mystery kit. When I saw this kit, it was not my favorite at all. And I was going to try and sell it or get rid of it. And I hung on to it, decided to use it for my sister's birthday this week. And you know what? Now that I see it, I love it. I love it so much, and I'm so glad I didn't get rid of it. So I really, really like it. Here, this kit is from Foxy Prints Co. I didn't plan much at all. I was just having one of those off weeks. But this week, we had adopted my little Yorkie 4 years ago. So that was in celebration of that. Here we have a kit from L Plan, and it's pretty. I just love it. And this was the first week of fall. So that's that. And then we get into our Halloween spreads. I went crazy for Halloween. I know. Call me crazy. This is from Creating & Co. I just love this kit. And I was going to use it for actual Halloween week. But I didn't. I wanted to start off October with a pretty kit. So we decided to use this one. And this kit, again, I decided to use bottom washi. This was a week of the Vegas shooting. So sad about that. Here is my October notes. Again, didn't track anything. I just threw some deco in there and called it a day. Here I have my October monthly from, I don't remember. So I'll put the name. We have a mystery kit from the Glam Planner. I really like this. I liked how full my spread is. And now I just noticed that I actually started using my checklist as actual to-dos. Here we have a kit from, I don't remember who this is from, but these two are from the same shop. Oh, Nikki Plus 3. So that's who that's from. This week is my daughter's birthday. I got this from Poppy Willow Co. So this is a kit she decided she wanted me to use. So I used that for her. Here's my November notes. My November monthly from the Planning World. This is Halloween week, and this is from Creating & Co. This she used as a readathon, but I wanted to use it for Halloween, so I loved it. And here I use that, she says RIP readathon. She had some script here, but I covered it with a washi strip. Here we have, this is a mystery kit from Simply Watercolor Co. I really loved the colors. I didn't think I was going to like it because it's very non-traditional fall colors, but I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. Here we have a kit from the Paper Plush Bar. Her kits are so pretty. I love her premium matte. Here I have, this was actually Thanksgiving week. This is from the White Deer Stationery. Here we have my December, which I'm not done with it yet, my December notes. Here we have my December, December monthly. Don't remember who this is from. Here we have a kit that I had been hoarding for a year, and this is from Prince 6. Here we have a kit from my newest addiction. So pretty, I love it. This week I went to go see The Nutcracker with my best friend. So this was a kit from Avenue K Design, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna be picking up some more kits from the shop. Here we have a Christmas kit from, this is Christmas Eve week, and this is from Planner Gems. And this is the last week. This is New Year's Eve week, the last week of the year. I decided to use a New Year's Day kit because my daughter's birthday is January 1st, and I will be using a birthday kit for her. So this kit is from Planning World. I couldn't spit it out there. It's from the Planning World. I decided to use bottom washi instead of her regular washi, because her regular washi was the shoes and the lipstick, and I wasn't feeling that, so decided to use my own bottom washi. And there we have it. I didn't do anything with these back pages, so yeah, I'm going to be changing that though. And I don't know if I showed this. This I got inspired from Jasenia from the Planner Sophisticate, which I kind of did again this year. I did it a little bit different, but I used the same Cheeky Darlene clip art that I purchased from her. So that is it. I hope everyone has a happy new year, and hope that my channel continues to grow, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.